Hey, Donny, walk here. Well, it's the first time for everything. I can just show you that cylinder breaking on that 461. And I just modified a ms250 for a friend of mine, Bud Sutherland. Bud's production falling. He's a West Coast faller, very good one. And he's also an expert fisherman and hunter. Let's see how I made out with this saw there, Bud. I just had it running, by the way. Sounded pretty good, eh? Got my Swedish friend here working, grinding up some more harvester chain. There you go, Bud Sutherland. There's your little ms250 to take hunting. So maybe you can cut up a big moose with it or something, or whatever you're hunting for. Keep your sawing wood, stick in the ice, rubber in the road. Check out the walkersawshop.com online store. Have a great day. Bye.